Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to pin your Instagram feed. So, you're going to want to go to Instagram on your desktop, log in, go to your account. You're going to want to pin everything, but for the sake of this demonstration, I am going to pin something in particular. I'm going to pin a pile of food as opposed to singular images of food. This is a good example. So, pile of pancakes, pile of watermelon. These posted significantly better than these images where they're like standalone photos. And so my assumption is that's probably going to perform better on Pinterest as well. So let's go ahead and pin this. Now, if you, if you already pin a lot, you might have this Chrome extension. If you don't already have it and you plan to do a lot of pinning, I highly recommend getting it. It's going to make your life a lot easier. I'll show you how to do this first. Do it this way first. So you're going to click that icon. You're going to want to adjust this pin description. A lot of the times I'll just copy and paste the caption that we used because it already gives credit, and that's something you're going to want to do. Cool. So I'm going to save it to my Instagram feed, or the auto Instagram feed. Now the other way you can do this is by clicking on the image and copying the URL, going into Pinterest, creating a pin, saving it from a site. Can add the description here again. You can also add a title. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Totally up to you. You should probably be consistent on that. And save it here. Okay, so now it's pinned twice because we just did that. It doesn't matter, we can delete these later. But that is how you do it. The whole reason that I do that is out of all of Otto's Instagram boards, the Instagram feed, which is one I just put together, has the most followers, and I know that's not a lot, but Otto literally just got started, so that's freaking awesome. Anyways, my point to doing this was now I can click on this image and scroll down, and it's going to show me related content. And if I see anything I like, I can pin it to a couple different things. I can pin this. We literally have a Pinterest board called Piles of Food. Save it. Or sometimes I come across an image. Like this is something that's very on brand for Otto. It might be something I would want to look at, maybe reposting later on. Cool, that's it.